Welcome back to the channel. So today we got some new parts to put on my Predator Comp 2 build. Some products from Treal. I've been wanting to add just a little bit of weight to it. I think I've gotten it a little too light, but I want to put weight in the right places. So I picked up the Treal spindles, brass spindles basically, since sometimes in turning the plastic can, where the steering hooks to it can move. So this adds some strength, but also adds some weight down low. And then I'm doing a rear diff cover for the rear to add weight in the center down low and hopefully get the performance I want out of it. So we're gonna take this over the bench, get this opened up, get it installed, and then we'll take the Predator out back on the backyard course and see if we notice anything. Hope you stick around for that. All right, so here we go. Here is the rear diff cover on Treal. There's our part number for it. Here is the spindles, if you want to call them that, and our part numbers. So we are putting it on the Predator build here. So I will get to working. I'm not going to go in super big detail. I think it's self-explanatory. Obviously on the rear, we're taking out these bolts here and putting the new cover on. It does appear to come with new bolts. On here we'll have to take the front wheels off, and we will have to pull the connection for the steering off, take out our bolt here, bolt there, and then we can actually pull that whole piece off, and we will have to take the outer cover off to put the outer plastic cover on the new piece there. So let's get started. All right guys, so here we go. They are installed on the front. I did run into some issues on this one and had to do some special work and ended up getting a screw that was sort of stuck in there and had to cut it off. So I am missing one screw to hold the bearing down, but it's all good. And you may have noticed on this side as I was doing it, I actually forgot the bearing that goes on the inside that needed to transfer over from this piece. I realized it when I was doing this one, did this one, and I have since went back and done that one. You can see that both the bearings are gone because I've put them in there. So obviously the rear piece is there. So I'm gonna get the wheels on, get a battery in it, and we're gonna go out back and we're gonna see how it runs. All right, here we go. Try the Treal stuff out. trucks out of here. Let's see if we can do this. Fix the back. So I'm gonna rerun that. So there you have it, guys. What do you think? Man, what a difference in that rig. It's not a huge weight difference. Now, I will say carrying it feels quite a bit heavier. I did weigh it off camera before putting it on. It was at 4 pounds, 9.9 ounces. Weighed it after adding those pieces, and it was at 4 pounds, 15.2 ounces. So not a major difference. That was without the battery on both of those weights, but it feels so much more planted. And I will say too, I'm running the Canyon Trail tires again from Traxxas on it, and I'm sorry, those are the tires for that rig. I like those tires. They are modified from stock. You know, I've had some of the nubs modified on them, but man, that rig, I am very pleased with it. I have a competition tomorrow I'm looking forward to, because my last competition I did horrible, and I was disappointed with the rig. So I'm very excited for tomorrow's comp. I feel like it's much more planted, much more controllable, and hopefully we'll do good in that competition, and I'll hopefully have some video for you. Down below I have the links to get these products if you want them. I do highly recommend the Treal products. They're beautiful pieces, well made. And there's also a link for Red Cat, which Red Cat sells Treal products. If you use that link to purchase anything through Red Cat, I do get a commission off of it. Not very much, but I will be putting that back into the channel. Hope you like what you see today, guys. Until the next time.